In today's chapter, we'll learn about main menu, tools and all properties by creating a Figma file. Let's now create a new design and prototype file by clicking the New Design File button. We see a Figma file named Untitled. Now click on the main menu from the top bar. Now we can see a submenu. Let's hover over the file menu. Now notice the menu is opened. The new design menu here is used to create a new design file. The new Figma file menu is used to open a new Figma file, which acts as an online whiteboard. To create a new Figma file from Sketch, click the New from Sketch menu. Click on the Place Image to place the image. Click the Save Local Copy menu to save the Figma file locally. Save and View the Version History menu is used to save and view versions periodically. Click the Export menu to export selected objects. Hovering in the Edit menu, you can see the submenu. You can undo, redo, copy, paste, color pick, select all, etc. From the submenu of the next view menu, we can manage the visualization of the Figma design system we use. For example, we can enable or disable the design system roller by checking or unchecking the roller. You can manage the design system by checking or unchecking the following options. In the submenu of the object menu, we can see many options. Using these options, we can manage our design very well. We will see the practical detail of this in the next chapter. Text formatting can be done very quickly from the submenu of the next text menu. We can manage flips with all alignments using the Arrange menu's submenu options. From the submenu of Plugins menu, we can find plugins from Figma community, install and uninstall required plugins, and view our installed plugin from this menu. We can simplify our work by finding Figma community widgets from the Widgets menu submenu. There are many options in the submenu of the Preferences menu. Using them, we can manage our design system very well. We can access the component and assets we have created in the Libraries menu. Figma Desktop app can be downloaded from Get Desktop app menu if required. We can get Figma help support by accessing the help page from the Help menu submenu. By clicking on this keyboard shortcut menu, you can know all the keyboard shortcuts, which will speed up our work. From the following menus, we can get detailed information from support prompt to support, video tutorial to tutorial, release note to updated information. You can manage font settings from Open Font Settings. We can see the login account information from this option. By clicking the Share button, we can share the design file with our team. By copying link from Copy Link, we can share that link. By clicking this Present option, we can see the full preview of our design. By clicking here, we can manage zoom very easily. These are the Figma tools. In the left bar, we can see some tabs called Layers, Assets, and Page On. All the objects used in the design like frames, vectors can be seen in this Layer tab. Once a component is created, it can be reused multiple times from the Assets tab. If you need to create more than one page in the design, then you can generate it by clicking on the first icon of the Page On tab, and you can edit the page name by double-clicking on the page name. Now we will discuss about Figma tools. In this tools group, we can see two tools, a move tool and another scale tool. If you press P from the keyboard, you can access the move tool. If you press K, you can access the scale tool. The move tool is used to move design objects, and the scale tools are used to scale an object proportionally. In this group of tools, it is the frame tool, which is used to create frames of the size required by different devices, and the slice tool also to separate a specific area. In this tool group, we can see many tools: a rectangle tool, a rectangle shape, line tool, line shape, arrow tool, arrow shape, ellipse tool, ellipse shape, polygon tool, polygon shape, star tool, star shape, and place image tool are used to place images. In this tools group, you can see two tools, a pen tool, which is used to create arbitrary vectors, change the properties of the specific points, and the other in the pencil tool, which is used to draw vectors. This is the text tool. Using it, we can add text to the design palette. This is the resource option. From here, you can access components, plugins, and widgets very easily. This is the hand tool. Using it to move the frame very easily without relocating any object. This is the comment tool. When multiple designers are working on the same design file, they can target a specific area of the design system and send feedback if needed. This option converts a design object into a component for multiple time use. This masking option masks one or more objects.